Indian Premier League 2026 match number 34 Royal Challengers Bengaluru vs Gujarat Titans. Match played at M. Chinnaswamy Stadium, Bengaluru. Royal Challengers Bengaluru won the toss, elected to field first. Gujarat Titans 20 overs 205 runs lost by 3 wickets. Shei Sudarshan is the highest scorer, 100 runs, 58 balls not out. Then Royal Challengers Bengaluru best bowling spell. Bhuvaneshwar Kumar 4 overs, no maiden, 31 run, 1 wicket taken. Royal Challengers Bengaluru 18.5 overs, 206 runs lost by 5 wickets. Virat Kohli is the highest scorer, 81 runs, 44 balls. Then Gujarat Titans best bowling spell. Mohammad Siraj 3 overs, no maiden, 25 runs, 1 wicket taken. Royal Challengers Bengaluru won by 5 wickets in this match. Player of the match Virat Kohli. Congratulations Royal Challengers Bengaluru.